Hey, and welcome to another Trend Micro how-to video. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable the data protection service from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing purposes. The data protection module includes the following features: data loss prevention, or DLP, which prevents unauthorized transmission of digital assets. And we have device control, which regulates access to external devices. Now let's go ahead and log into the Apex Central Web Console. Go to Policies and select Policy Management. Make sure that Apex One Security Agent is the selected product. Click on the test policy that was copied and created from the current policy. Now make sure to specify the machines that will be included for this test. Now, find the additional service settings and then click to expand. Uncheck the data protection service for both Windows desktops and Windows Server platforms. Now click Deploy and wait for the policy to be deployed. Also, please do take note of the policy version. On the agent side, to verify if the policy was deployed successfully, right-click on the security agent icon, then click on Component Versions. Scroll down, then hover on the information icon and verify if the policy version is the same version showing from the Apex Central Web Console. And that's it. That's how you disable the data protection service from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing purposes. For more how-to support videos, please click the Trend Micro button to subscribe now. To keep watching, click on any of these videos. Also, for the latest in Trend Micro updates and information, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.